Hi, my name is Andrew Moschuk. I drive the Yokohama RX-7. It's a GT time attack car. One of our new sponsors this year is Radium Engineering, and you can check out their products online. It's at radiumauto.com. And I'll show you basically how we're going to install the surge tank for our RX-7. We're going to install twin air motive pumps, and basically when you call them, they set it up from the factory to run a certain kind of pump, and just to make sure everything fits perfectly and flawlessly. And so, really great piece of engineering. You guys should check them out. Okay, so first things first, we're using twin air motive stealth pumps. So when we call Radium, they ask which kind of pumps we want, and they basically send us a kit that fits with the specific pump. So you'll notice that the actual part fits only a certain way, and it's machined to fit exact. The nice thing about these parts, besides the fact that they're all anodized, they're all machined, is that they're all machined to fit a certain way. So there's really no way that you could screw this up and put the pumps backwards or facing the wrong way. All the seals on the bottom are all machined as well, so you fit your O-rings. There's only one way they can sit, which is really nice. Over top of that, we have the lines that go in. Okay, after that we'll put the case on and plug the clips in. And one of the nice things that I noticed when I was putting this together the first time is how are you going to attach these when the clips need to go in, the fittings need to fit in the back. How do you tighten these down? Well, they've actually machined on the inside the right fitting so that this will fit inside, and you actually don't need a tool on the inside of the surge tank to tighten the other end. So I mean, a lot of thought went into it there. You can see the actual wiring harness, everything's nice and tight, everything's all sealed properly. Again, like a lot of thought went into how the parts fit together, and just almost over-engineered, I think would be a proper term for it. You'll see all these machine screws inside have the rubber washers, so everything fits nice and snug, tight. Everything's aligned properly. Again, really can't say enough about the quality. Like I said, I was surprised when the parts got here, and just the detail and the thought that went into making everything fit as well as it does. So after that, we'll put in the clips. These fittings, you just line them up to the bottom. Give them a little twist so they fit into the right spot. You need an O-ring for that first. There we go. Now that'll fit. Tighten this down. So you can see the tops, everything's nice and machined, and they've taken extra weight out, anything that's unnecessary. Basically all we have to do for the top is wire up the plug that comes with it, the mil-spec connector, and that'll go right there. Also, they've included the mounting panel, and you'll see even the holes are tapered so everything fits nice and flush, and that's so that you have the option of either mounting it to the back for a side mount, or on the bottom you can mount it like that and actually have the bottom mount. So again, like a lot of options, a lot of thought process going into how the parts go together, but overall, you know, really impressed with the way that the parts go and the quality. Some other parts that they're supplying us with are the fuel regulator, so we'll run lines to that next, and also we've got a coolant expansion tank from them that we'll be using again, and same style fittings, everything kind of you know, same quality for all their parts, which is really nice. Last but not least, with all their packages and everything that they send, you've got extra O-rings in case you mess anything up or in case you need to replace them down the road. Yeah, overall, I mean, it's a great product, and we're really happy to have them on board this year. And if you guys haven't seen their website yet, you should definitely check them out.